Hey friends, my 5-week identity exploration course called You Are More, Discovering Your God-Given Identity, especially after living for everyone else, has just launched. I'm excited at a special introductory price. My journey into identity exploration began over 15 years ago when I realized I had been stuffing my emotions for a good part of my life. And by the time I was an adult, I had developed some troubling addictions, some emotional challenges, and I was living from what was called and what is called a false self. And I didn't really know who I was. Because of this, my identity was in a constant state of fluctuation. It was dependent on things outside of myself, like other people, my job, or even people's reaction to me. Here's the thing. When we allow our identity to come from things outside of ourselves, we're always going to experience anxiety and restlessness and insecurity and confusion and more because we can't control those things. We can't control the world around us, okay? Furthermore, we don't want the world to shape our identity, because the world and its systems can never redeem us, right? I mean, look around the world today at all the crazy things happening. So if there ever was a time to not trust the systems of the world, now is the time. So I've developed a course just for that. Click the link for more information and to register. The trouble is that we have to live in this world. So if you feel confused about who you are and your purpose in life, you are not alone. If you struggle with negative emotions, low self-esteem, poor boundaries, restlessness, if you have trouble expressing your emotions, I have been there too. Look, it's not your fault. These are what the world and its broken systems usually have to offer us, right? And then the world offers cheap answers to deep challenges that have kept us in these false identity patterns. And these are things like dysfunctional family patterns, lies of the enemy, lies others told you about yourself that you believed, abuse or neglect, self-blame, even religious manipulation, grief, unfair life circumstances, loss, and there's so many more. I want to help you in this course find your God-given identity. I want to help you become more spiritually connected. I want to help you be more in control emotionally, be confident, be free of shame, be able to express your emotions in a healthy way. So I have developed a course just for that. It runs for 5 weeks, and let me tell you what's not in the course. I'm not going to teach you how to get rich. I'm not going to sell money and help you win friends and influence people, find the perfect job and have a pain-free life. I know there's a lot of people selling stuff like that. The problem with them is that they are selling external peace based on worldly success, not inner peace that surpasses circumstances. That is what I want you to have. So this course is an identity exploration that will include a lot of self-reflection, Bible teaching, exercises, journaling, psychology, therapeutic principles you can apply to your life, all in one course. And together we will explore things like simple and complex identity affiliations, how to become a more integrated person, false beliefs that have kept us stuck, how your family of origin or your attachment styles have impacted your identity development. You'll explore the impact of some of these complex identity shapers like shame, like false self, like addictions, and more. We will dig into the broken systems of the world that we have allowed to shape our identity and why our identity can only be found through redemption. Finally, I'll give you tangible ways that you can develop your God-given identity along with many great resources for further exploration and study. So, if you're ready to join me on this exciting identity exploration, just click the link, register, and set up an account. It's called You Are More, Discovering Your God-Given Identity, especially after living for everyone else. So, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the course.